approximate this value, root 4.1. So one of the applications of derivatives is approximation. So now, let's note 4.1 can be written as 4 plus 0.1. Okay, so that means that the additional thing that we had to 4 is 0.1. So we have broken 4.1 into 4 plus 0.1. So we call this one x, we call this one dx. Fine. So, and don't forget, because this is a what? A square root function. So that means our f of x is equal to what? The square root of x. Okay, so the square root of x here, if you look at it holistically, when our x is 4, that's the square root of 4 is what? Is 2. Fine. Numerically, that's the value of our f of x. So now don't forget also that if f of x is root x, root x can be written as x raised by half. Good. So that is, you express root x in index form, it is x raised by half. So if you now differentiate f prime of x, that is differentiate this particular function, which is going to be what? Half multiplied by x raised by minus half, because half minus 1 is minus half. So you can write this as 1 over 2 times 1 over root x, which is something as 1 over 2 root x. Fine. And which is something as what? 1 over 2 times, what is root x? 2. Because our x original is 2. Okay? Our x root x, no, our x is 4. So root of 4 is 2. So that gives us what? This gives us 1 over 4. Beautiful. Now, using the our formula is f of x plus dx will now be f of x plus f prime of x multiplied by dx. That's the formula. So, and what is our f of x in value now? 2. That is what? 2 plus our f prime of x now. F prime of x, we end up getting what? 1 over 4. Then multiply by dx. Our dx is 0.1. So that would be what? 2 plus 0.025. So by the time you add this together, you have what? 2.025. So the approximated value of square root of 4.1 is 2.025. Bye.